मैं जिस किसी को भी सिखाऊं मुरझाया हुआ नरे इस तरह खिले हुए फूल की तरह खिल जाए तो उसकी जिंदगी में पूरी है जो ठीक है।
Afternoon, everybody. The snaps image which is over here, it's look like a man. It's in forest. In ancient history, men were living in forest only, and they used to eat animals, and they sleep. कैसा दिख रहा है आपको? ये कौन है?
ये जो आदमी दिख रहा है, दो आंखें दिख रहा है, नाक दिख रहा है, उसका फेस दिख रहा है,
So,
पेट दिख रहा है.
and is sitting below tree. Why sitting below tree? Is it any specific reason to sitting below tree? Sahuji? He's having some problem. In forest there is lot of tree, but he has chosen one tree only. That may be that tree having branches, and he can protect himself from sunlights and as well as in raining season. So due to that he is sitting below the tree. And tree is also important in our life. That all of our friends, everybody is explained about tree. So how many kinds of tree you know? Can you anybody can जो remember 5 पेड़ का कोई नाम बता सकता है? Mango.
मैंगो, नीम,
नीम, banyan tree. Which is the best fruit tree? Apple. In Himachal commonly is and very good fruits is apple. Where is mango available? UP. No, Patna doesn't have a lot of mango. Mango is majorly available in Uttar Pradesh. You are from Maliabad? Okay. Have you heard Alfonso? Alfonso is one of the very good variety of mango, and that is available in Ratnagiri in nearby Maharashtra and Konkan area. So that mango is starting at earliest in April, and that is very costly and available in dozen. Anybody have Alfonso this year? कहाँ से लिया आपने? Very good. Normally Alfonso is not available over here in Panchkula. So it's coming from Mumbai, Ratnagiri. So whenever you want to have Alfonso, you have to go. Then like mango tree, then this guava is very best variety of guava where is available? Yes, very good, Allahabad. And उसमें भी एक variety होती है, कुछ red color का होता है inside.
That is very common.
So it is already high.
Hello. It's a common, it means a common raw material for all pharmaceutical dosage form. Except this injectable. If you go for injectable, then that will be further more purified version. So this is purified water. Some of things already covered by Rajesh, and there is some variation in data. So 70% of earth is covered with water. 72% human body having water. Out of that, what I have seen yesterday, that is in brain 90% water is there. 85% water is in your muscles and 25 to 40% water is in your bone. Water is a polar molecule and dissolve almost all compound. Can anyone say how many impurities in water? Don't say slide.
Generally, we can consider 3 types of impurities:
Yes.
microbial impurities, dissolved impurities, and undissolved impurities.
So there are 4 types of impurities: dissolved gases, dissolved minerals, dissolved organics, and dissolved suspended. Dissolved organics is equilibrium with air, nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide, and that is leads to corrosion. Dissolved minerals measure by conductivity. Dissolved organics measure by DOC, and dissolved suspended particles measure as turbidity. There are four types of water commonly used in pharma industry, that is potable, soft water, purified, and final version is the water for injection that is used for a sterile manufacturing facility. Potable water that meet the WHO drinking water guidelines. Soft water used to reduce the hardness of the water, that is magnesium and calcium, and which is used for feeding for purified water as well as for other utility used in the pharma industry. If you use soft water, that will increase the life of your utility equipment. Purified water is mechanically or chemically filtered to meet the all parameters. This can be obtained by suitable process, or quality of feed water input should comply with WHO GMP requirement of potable water. You no need to feed salt water. If you can feed potable water also, but accordingly you have to design your water system when you are procuring at initial stage. Some important key parameters. So conductivity should be less than 1.3 at the rate of 25 degrees centigrade. Microwave cones is not more than 100. TOC is not more than 100 ppb. And once you have generated the purified water, that should be having sufficient protection for recontamination, because once you have converted into purified water, you are having a storage system which comply all requirements.
Questions?